Today I am reviewing the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Bluetooth headphones. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Bluetooth headphones in the stunning Deep Plum limited edition color are a perfect combination of comfort, performance, and cutting-edge audio technology. From the moment you put them on, you immediately notice how well-designed and luxurious they feel. The soft ear cushions hug your ears comfortably, while the headband distributes pressure evenly, making these headphones perfect for long listening sessions, whether you're at home, at work, or on the move. What truly sets these headphones apart is their immersive spatial audio experience. Using CustomTune technology, the sound is personalized just for you, giving music, movies, and podcasts a depth and clarity that feels incredibly real. Every note is sharp, every instrument is distinct, and the overall soundstage feels larger than life. Whether you're listening to classical, pop, or heavy bass tracks, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra adapts to deliver the most satisfying audio experience possible. Noise cancellation is another area where Bose leads the way. These headphones offer 3 modes: Quiet Mode, Aware Mode, and Immersion Mode. Quiet Mode isolates you from distractions, perfect for focusing or traveling in noisy environments. Aware Mode lets you stay connected to your surroundings, so you can hear important announcements or conversations without taking off the headphones. Immersion Mode combines full noise cancellation with Bose Immersive audio, giving you a theater-like experience where every detail feels crystal clear and enveloping. For calls and voice communication, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra excels. The built-in microphones focus on your voice while filtering out background noise, ensuring the clearest phone calls you can get on any Bose headphones. This makes them ideal not only for calls, but also for online meetings and virtual collaborations. Connectivity is seamless thanks to Bluetooth 5.3, which provides a stable connection up to 30 feet from your device. You can also use SimpleSync to connect these headphones to a Bose smart soundbar, letting you enjoy TV audio at your preferred volume without disturbing others. The headphones are highly intuitive, with touch controls on each ear cup that allow you to adjust volume, skip tracks, answer calls, and switch between modes effortlessly. You can even turn them on or off with a simple head motion. Battery life is impressive as well. You get up to 24 hours of playtime, or up to 18 hours when using immersive audio. And if you're in a rush, a quick 15-minute charge gives you up to 2.5 hours of playback. This makes them perfect for travel, long workdays, or extended music sessions. Finally, the Bose app enhances the experience further. By downloading it, you can access the latest software updates, unlock new features, and ensure your headphones are always performing at their best. In summary, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Bluetooth headphones combine incredible sound quality, advanced noise cancellation, long battery life, and premium comfort into one elegant package. The Deep Plum color adds a unique style element, while features like spatial audio, touch controls, and Bluetooth connectivity make them one of the most versatile and immersive headphones available today. Whether you're a music lover, a frequent traveler, or someone who values high-quality audio and comfort, these headphones deliver an experience that is simply unmatched.